Hi everyone. You're welcome back to my channel. So today is Easter Monday, and we've been on holiday since on Friday, just Easter period, and I'm going over to my friend's place in Gwarinpa. So I'm going to have lunch with her. I just saw her, she prepared food on Instagram, so I just called her. I said, babe, I am coming over. So I hope you guys had a good Easter holiday, because tomorrow being Tuesday, we're going to be back to work. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just have to wait here, or maybe wait here for a taxi, or just take a walk down the road. I think this looks like it. So I'm going to Gwarinpa. Okay, are you going Gwarinpa? I'm not too familiar with the avenues in Gwarinpa. I think it's Second Avenue, that one that is up after the market. Yeah, how much is it? Oh guys, 500 naira. Yes, it's 500 naira. Yes, Gwarinpa is 500. 500. You go take 600. That's what I have. Oh, I beg, I'm running late, I'm hungry. Please, thank you. So we're just gonna, okay. Okay, yeah, thank you. Can we go? Yeah. So just off to her place, and Gwarinpa is one of the biggest estates in Abuja, and it's also the biggest estate in West Africa. It has estates within an estate. It has like, I think, about 1 to how many avenues, Oga? Like 6 avenues, like that. Like, okay, 1 to 7 avenues. I'm not too familiar with that. I don't live in Gwarinpa, so I'm just gonna go over to my friend's place. During this Easter holiday, I went to the zoo. I went there with my sister, and I'm working on a vlog for that. I think I'm gonna post it before this one, so you guys should go check it out for interesting places that you can go in Abuja. So while I'm going to Gwarinpa to my friend's place, I'm just gonna do you guys a bit of a little city tour. So let me just show you like the roads that lead to Gwarinpa. Currently now, behind me, I'm on Aminu Kano Crescent, and Aminu Kano Crescent is one of the 2 major crescents in Wuse 2. We have Aminu Kano Crescent, and we have Demola Adetukumbo Crescent in Wuse 2. So where I am is the Banex Junction. It's a very, very popular junction in Wuse 2. So it has Banex Plaza, Sheriff Plaza, and all that. So the road behind me is Hamadu Bello Way, and it is the longest road, like the longest way in Abuja here. It runs from Kado Estate to Apo. I hopefully one day I'm going to do a city tour on it. So I'm going to show you the road, and we're going to like take, how many minutes will it take for someone to do from Kado to the end of Hamadu Bello Way here in the city. So let me just show you guys the road. I'm on Hamadu Bello Way. Behind me is just Hamadu Bello Way. So that's the road that leads to, one of the roads that leads to Gwarinpa Estate. So let me show you. Yeah, there's Plaza. Okay, this is actually a new road that leads to Gwarinpa. I think this road was open in 2000, I can't remember. So I'm sitting behind in the back of the taxi, so I can actually show you guys much, but I don't know whether you can see. Okay, that's the road that leads to Gwarinpa. Maybe I'll switch and stay in front. Okay, do you mind? So I can just switch to the front seat, so I'll be able to show you guys the road that leads to Gwarinpa Estate. You want to join my video? Okay, so that's the person that is taking me to Gwarinpa Estate. doing is called vlogging, and vlogging is the in thing. It's not only for women, they see it as a women thing, but this is a full-time job. Trust me, this is full-time job. So it's vlogging, you're telling people about your life and all of that. For people that don't care like me, big shops, small ones.
I like to go ShopRite.
To ShopRite, I don't like ShopRite. ShopRite is way too big for me. I only go to ShopRite if I need to buy fruits, because some fruits are kind of like cheaper. If you're buying grapes, if you're buying apples, if you're buying like mushrooms and mushroom, what again? I think there's cauliflower, broccoli, they're kind of like cheaper at ShopRite. But anything outside that, nothing takes me to ShopRite because it's too big. I don't like walking around a bigger shop, so I prefer smaller shops like H Medics.
The ShopRite is big, and why a lot of people go in there is that some people go there to go on cars for watch movie, you know, a lot of activities going on in ShopRite.
Yes.
You can make a ShopRite with Next, Cash and Carry, or another smaller shop. You know, Next is not big like ShopRite, and a lot of people going to ShopRite, and from there you can meet some people that you don't meet before. You can catch your phone, you can have connection there. So a lot of people go there because of a lot of things.
Okay, I understand, because where ShopRite is, there is where you can see a movie. There are other shops there as well with that, so you can actually be at one place and you do a lot of things. But I still prefer smaller shops. Like I said earlier, I'm still single. I'm still single, so what's my business with a bigger shop? I prefer H Medics or other smaller shops. I'll just go in there and say, oh, what do I even buy? Like when I shop more in Wuse Market, you are not in Abuja, you're watching this video from any. Wuse Market is the biggest market in Abuja and it's in the heart of the town. Cooking a lot, and I cook. When it comes to food, I'm so traditional. Like that is where I'll get my afang, my meat, everything. I'm gonna take you guys to Wuse Market anytime soon. When next I'm going there, you just get everything. If you want to buy gold, it's in Wuse Market. If you want to buy clothes, you want to buy shoes, and you don't have a lot of money to go and pay, where they have the mall and all that, I can take the risk, because if you go to the mall, it's just the AC that you are paying for, and it's too expensive. I beg, who AC app now? So what's my business? I'll just go to Wuse Market and buy what I want to buy, and I still look good. Like what I'm wearing, I bought it in Balogun, I think last year, and I will not tell you the price. If you want to know, just drop your comments below. So let me just show you it. It's very big. 1 to 7 avenues. Like you can get that. So recently in Gwarinpa there is an H Medics. There are banks as well, though not all the banks are here yet, because it was purely residential area before people decided to bring certain things closer. So there is Domino's Pizza here, there is Mr. Beast here, there are fast food joints, and there are clubs here as well. So if you live in Gwarinpa, you don't need to I have to go to town to do everything. Advantage about Gwarinpa is that there is no market. I'm just gonna show you what they call a market here in Gwarinpa that doesn't even fit to my standard. Like you can't get afang in Gwarinpa, you can't get periwinkle. Even if you have to get afang, it have to be in smaller quantities and all of that. So there is no market in Gwarinpa. That's, I have to tell you, no market in Gwarinpa. And I have to show you one thing I hate about Gwarinpa. I think the access road is another thing I don't like. And if you're coming here during rush hours, like you're going to work and you are coming back from work, you're coming back from church, this place there's always traffic because of what they call a market somewhere here. Today is actually better because there is that's their market. This Gwarinpa market, you can see mainly fruits and all of that. So there's always traffic somewhere here. So if you live around here, man, you're like, it's not funny. So this is what they call a market in Gwarinpa. I don't know whether they have something else, but this is just their major market. So if I live in Gwarinpa, it means I have to be going to Wuse 2 to shop, like to go to Wuse Market to buy what I need for my food. And you can see the kekes and all of that. So in this market is a Gwari village. Gwari are the original owners of Abuja. So they live in this place that they call a market and a village. Sorry guy, I'm videoing you. So we're almost at my friend's place. Let me call her. So this is the Gwari village. So you can see firewood. The Gwari likes gathering firewood a lot. They are still very, very traditional. So that's have nice shops as well. So we're gonna take this one. Yeah. Hello, babe. Yeah, take that one. Hey, come out with the money now. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. So you can see how Gwarimpa is. Another thing they have in Gwarimpa, yeah, this way. Yeah, I'm at my friend's house. We did the house hunting together. I'm gonna show you to Carson. She's my best chick. Okay, it's okay. So I'm at my friend's place. I think they're having a renovation in their house 1 year after Destiny promised us. When we were looking for this house, like we went house hunting together, and the agent told us, don't worry, Blessing, they're going to fix this place. I was like, excuse me, are we renting the main building? So bank where I can get money for ATM. Okay, so actually in KK Napim, so he's actually going to carry 2 more passengers here. But for now, I'm enjoying the ride alone. I'm going back to my crib, but before I do that, I'll stop by at the next cash and carry to buy a shower, like a shower mat, because I've actually slide. Like I almost fell like twice, and I think it's a warning sign from God, because I heard that that kind of accident is actually very, very terrible. Oh, let's go, 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 go. Oh.